It is you, the people, who are the court of last resort.
At approximately 8:30 on Tuesday, July 17th, 1923, in this eastern city, a double murder was committed. According to the testimony in the case of People versus Conrad Murray,
This is the case of People versus Conrad Robert Murray. People versus Conrad Murray.
Yes. And I have a photograph taken at the time of autopsy. And this was taken on June 26, 2009.
Well, I'm having a little trouble reading the number. It may either be the 26th or the 25th.
Actually. What is that date reference?
To me, that looks like 6/25/2009.
Actually, looks like the wrong date is on there. Looks like 8/25/2009, doesn't it?
Well, it does look a little bit like an 8.
The court has reviewed the verdict form, and ladies and gentlemen, there was a typo in terms of the date of the alleged incident. It was written June 9th, 2009.
Michael, you're the best. Hey, Michael, can you still moonwalk? Can you still moonwalk, Michael?
Why wouldn't I be able to?
Oh, Michael, you're the best. You're the best, Michael.
Thank you, thank you.
We love you, Michael. You're the best.
Juror number 3, you've corrected that to June 25th. You put a 2-5 and you put some squigglies after that?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right, counsel, is there anything else we need to take up before I invite the jurors to join us?
All right, Deputy Trower, let's have the jurors, please. All right, Mrs. Robertson, would you do you have the envelope with the sealed verdict forms, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, would you give those to Deputy Trower? And would you return those to our four-person juror number one? All right, Madam Foreperson, would you please open the envelope and check the condition of the verdict forms? All right, Madam Foreperson, you've had the opportunity to review the verdict forms.
Yes.
Are they the same forms that you signed, and are they in order?
Yes, they are.
All right, would you hand those, please, to Deputy Trower? And you have signed and dated those verdict forms indicating the jury's verdict?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
You've corrected that to June 25th. You put a 2-5 and you put some squigglies after that?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Will the defendant rise along with counsel? Madam Clerk, you may publish the verdicts.
All right, Mr. Simpson, would you please stand and face the jury? Mrs. Robertson.
Superior Court of California, County of Los Angeles, in the matter of the people of the state of California.
Juror number 3, you've corrected that to June 25th. You put a 2-5 and you put some squigglies after that?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. I reviewed the verdict form, which now I will pass to Mrs. Benson, the court clerk. Mrs. Benson will publish the verdict.
Superior Court of California, Los Angeles County. The people of the state of California plaintiff versus Conrad Robert Murray, defendant. Case number. Alleged victim, Michael Joseph Jackson.
I say either.
And I say either.
I say neither.
And I say neither.
Either.
Either.
Neither.
Neither.
Let's call the whole thing off. I like potato.
And I like potato.
I like tomato.
And I like tomato.
Potato.
Potato.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Let's call the whole thing off. But oh, if we call the whole thing off, then we must part.
And oh, if we ever part, then that might break my heart.
So if I say pajamas,
and I say pajamas,
I'll say pajamas,
and I'll say pajamas.
For we know we need each other, so we better call the calling off. Let's call the whole thing off.
You two having babies so fast, we about to run out of names. Oh, how about Ronald?
Oh, Mama, no, not Ronald.
Donald?
Mama, no, I don't want Donald.
Well, how about Michael?
That's better. Michael. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, look at me.
Michael Joe Jackson. Michael Joe Jackson.
The people of the state of California, plaintiff versus Michael Joe Jackson, defendant, case number 1133603, count 1, verdict.
Sheriff with no bail, and in the interim he is to be kept in the care and custody of the sheriff and ordered to appear for further proceedings and formal probation and sentencing on 29 November 2011 at 8:30 a.m. in this department. I expect that the people will have specific restitution, we can wait a few moments, specific restitution related issues in this case pursuant to the provisions of Penal Code Section 1202.4, and be prepared to address any matters of restitution. Certainly, counsel are aware of the Realignment Act and the provisions of Penal Code Section 1170. So